Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of our Dummies Guide to Power Automate series. In this episode, we're going to be doing a brief introduction to Power Automate and its general capabilities as a tool, where you would go to create the new flows, and a basic overview of what you can see on the website. So, to begin with, Power Automate is a powerful tool for automating any process that you could have. This could include things like downloading attachments from emails automatically, sending approvals to team members on the click of a button, and several more things. So, to begin with, you will want to make your way to the website make.powerautomate.com. This is the new URL for the Power Automate website, and using any old variations of it will automatically bring you to this new one now. When you make your way to this website, you will need to automatically log in using your Office 365 account, at which point you'll be brought to this home screen. Now, on this home screen, we can see there are a variety of different templates suggesting ideas for you to do, including ones related to emails, files and documents, and notifications and reminders. These are just simply some popular examples of flows that you could create. Then, below this, we have some of the Microsoft Learn tutorials and modules for learning at every level. And then we have a couple of the other related sections to do with Power Automate, such as the pricing for licenses, how-to video tutorials, a community forum for you to connect with other people who create videos, create flows, and documentation from beginner to pro level. An important one to check out would be the pricing guide, because the pricing guide will help you to purchase a license if you want to create more advanced flows. To begin with, you'll only be able to create simple ones, and you won't be able to create and use any of the premium connectors. So this is an important one for your premium licensing. Then, on the next section, we will head to the My Flows tab. On here, you can see a list of all of the flows that are currently in your current environment. For example, we've got these two here in our cloud flows. Cloud flows are made using this web development tool, such using on make.powerautomate.com. We also have desktop flows. Desktop flows are created using the desktop Power Automate app. We won't be covering that in this tutorial. However, it functions in a very similar way to the web browser version. And then finally, we have flows that are shared with me, which are flows created by other individuals which have been shared with you, either as a user or a owner. And they will appear in this list. From here, we can make our way to Create, where you will see a sample of the options you have for creating a new flow. So, automated, instant, scheduled, desktop, and process advisor. We'll be covering automated, instant, and scheduled in a future video. You also have an option for choosing one of the templates. These will be a pre-made flow that will allow you to, that will have some actions populated already for a certain type of flow. For example, remote work, email, approvals, notifications, and save to cloud. And then down here, we have some of the connectors, which are some of the more popular pieces of software which you might use to connect to Power Automate, such as Outlook, SharePoint, Dataverse, and more. In here, in the template section, we have a far more detailed screen with every template available for Power Automate. Currently, this is sorted by popularity for all templates. So we can see, for example, that saving Outlook.com email attachments to your OneDrive is one of the most popular templates to use. We also have other templates specifically for remote work, approval, and if we select the three dots here, we can see a full list of different types. Then finally, one of the last important sections on this home screen is the recently added connectors options. These will give you a list of every connection and every piece of software that Power Automate can connect to. And selecting one such as Outlook, which we just type in here and select it, allows you to see, for example, triggers that you can use to create a new flow, templates that are related to your Outlook, and more. We hope that this is a good tutorial for introducing you to the basics of Automate, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.